Excel Magic 4. Automate API reporting in Excel. In this course, I'm going to show you 5 ways of reporting out of a financial system. They include reporting based on an extracted Excel report or an attached Excel report. We will also learn about latest technology of writing back data from Excel into the system and explore the state-of-the-art uses that Office Connect brings us in dynamic API reporting. Now, without further ado, let's get started. Now, let's first do a quick recap on system data reporting from prior courses. First, we can do a screenshot. The pro is that it is easy and simple to make. However, it is hard to customize because you can't make any changes to your screenshot. Second, we can report from extracted reports from the system. The good point is that there will be no need to rebuild the reports because you are extracting the report themselves. However, if you have multiple reports to extract, you can't automate the extraction from the system. Third, we can extract the data from the system. The good point is that you can extract complete data for all entities just once, and then through programming, you can quickly generate your report based on each entity. However, that will require you to rebuild your reports based on the extracted data. Last, API reporting. API stands for Application Programming Interface. It facilitates how programs interact with each other. For example, Office Connect from Adaptive Insights, which will be discussed in this course. Perfect. Before we move on to the course, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Lenny Wu. I'm a PD instructor at various online platforms. I received my MBA Finance in the year 2000 from the George Washington University. I also received my CPA CGA from CPA Canada. I'm a certified Adaptive Insight professional and a certified Zero Accounting partner. I used to sit as an examiner for IELTS, or International English Language Testing System, and I was an exam trainer of TOEFL, or Test of English as a Foreign Language, GRE, or Graduate Record Examination, and GMAT, or Graduate Management Admission Test. I have 22 years working with Microsoft Excel, being a modeling expert in Power Query, Power Pivot, and Power BI. I'm a proponent of OCR, or one-click reporting, and SSR, or self-service reporting. Next, in response to some feedback from my students, I would like to share my thoughts on how this course is compared with other similar courses. First, this course is not an academic course like others that teaches all skills from A to Z, whether they are useful or obsolete, such as concatenate in Excel. It does not tell you which formulas or skills are mostly used at work. This course is a practical course where it capitalizes on my 20+ years professional experiences in financial reporting and modeling. It builds upon my 22+ years Excel and 5+ years Power Query experiences. It has the top crucial skills handpicked by me so that you can get your foot in the door and survive in the office environment. It focuses on business uses versus academic uses, for example, how to control your reporting period with the timeline. It opens doors to more opportunities and promotions at Office. In summary, I'm not teaching you skills for the sake of teaching skills. I'm teaching you only the relevant skills that will automate your workload and get yourself Excel at work. Okay, what you will get from this course. At the end of the course, you will be able to understand key features of API reporting, discover 5 ways of reporting out of a financial system, differentiate between reporting based on extracted Excel report and attached Excel report. Discover latest technology of writing back data from Excel into the system. Last, explore 7 features Office Connect brings to us in dynamic API reporting. What is API reporting? API stands for Application Programming Interface. We use this as a tool in financial reporting. First, API enables data transformation between one app and another. It is a two-way communication, and it includes both data extraction and data write-back. In today's demo, we are going to utilize Adaptive Insights and its peripheral programs, and discuss 5 ways of reporting. First, HTML report as a screenshot. Second, extracted report from the system, plus further formatting tweaks. Third, extracted data from the system. Preset formatting, no further tweaks necessary. Fourth, Excel Planning add-in. It is used in place of cloud software to allow for write-back to the system. Last, Office Connect add-in, which is the ultimate reporting tool with integrated data and formatting. API reporting number 1. HTML report. What is HTML? It stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is a web coding language. Second, HTML reporting refers to financial reports generated on the web. It allows us 2 ways of distributing the reports. First, we can share the hyperlink of the HTML report for your reader, or use the screenshots to present in Microsoft Excel or PowerPoint. The good point of the presentation using the screenshots is that it is easy to present and requires few technical skills. However, the screenshots may become blurry and not for professional reporting. There's no built-in potential for automation in the system. Also, it is not efficient to take multiple screenshots and not feasible for long portrait reports. Now let's go to the financial system and take a deeper look of HTML report. Now here is the front page of Workday Adaptive Planning. As with other programs, we can log in with your username and passwords. Now once you log in, you hit the Welcome to Workday Adaptive Planning landing page. Now let me click the logo on the top left, go to Reports. I have saved my reports under the Personal Reports folder. And for this HTML report, let me click the first report called Current Month Expense Variance Analysis with Year to Date. Okay, I already have this report set up. You can see the operating expenses by category, by GL account for the month March 2021 and year to date of March 2021. We have actuals, working budget side by side with the percentage variance to the right, and zone. The zone column is kind of conditional formatting in Excel. It shows whether the percentage is favorable as in green or unfavorable as in red. Also, we can see more columns of percentage variance versus prior month and percentage variance versus prior year for this month. Now, suppose we have this HTML report. We can send the link of this report and share with your users who have access to this report. Also, we can take a screenshot of this HTML report and paste into your Excel report or PowerPoint report. However, if your report is portrait and you want to copy the whole report into your presentation, you will have to resize the report and take a screenshot, which may turn out to be blurry or not the size of what you need. So HTML is easy to take, but sometimes the formatting is an issue. Now let's see if we can solve this formatting issues with the remaining 4 reporting methods. Perfect. API reporting number 2. For the extracted Excel reporting, we can extract the report from the system. And the good thing is no formulas are needed because the numbers are already there. However, the formatting is an issue. We need to reformat the report in order for it to be presentable. The good news is that we can build VBA macro to perform the reformatting. So feel free to check out my other courses on VBA macro, Excel Magic 2, building your own report generating bot, and advanced VBA in Excel. Now let's go back to the system to take a look at the extracted Excel report. Now once we have the financial report in HTML, we can extract the reports to Excel. Let's click either the printable view for this program or simply click this extract report. We can extract the report in Excel or PDF. Let's extract the report to PDF first and see what it looks. Once we got the file extracted, let's double click and take a look. So this is basically what the report looks like. I would say the reporting is not that great, especially when they put month-to-date numbers on one page and year-to-date on the second one. Not very easy for you to review them side by side. So the PDF format is not an option. Now let's go back to the financial system and extract into Excel so that we can tweak the formatting a little bit before presenting. Now let's click extracting into Excel file. Once it's downloaded, let's double click the file and see what it looks. Once it opens, you can click enable editing. The good part is that it keeps the formatting from the HTML report. For example, this is highlighted in yellow with the flags in green or in red. This is very good. However, when you scroll down to the right, you kind of got lost as to see which columns are you looking at. Especially the year-to-date does not tell you where it starts and where it ends, unless you click that cell in order to tell. And especially when you scroll to the right, you don't see your first column of the GL account, so you have no idea which line you're looking at. Not very good in terms of formatting. However, we can build our own VBA macro to automatically reformat this report in order for it to be presentable in your presentations. For details on how to build a macro, please feel free to check out my other courses on building a VBA.